For my digital lesson, I will be bringing the makers movement into the classroom, and we will be doing this by having students create catapults for our study of quadratics. Some options of materials they will be using are household supplies, such as pencils, straws, rulers, popsicle sticks, Legos, plastic spoons, bottle caps, cardboard, branches, rubber bands, glue, tape, to name a few. And so what the project consists of is first students will individually brainstorm and draw a draft of a catapult. Then they will share their drawings, their ideas with their group members and finalize, either pick one of the group members or combine ideas from different drawings. And then they will list supplies and assign who brings what to build in class. So they will then build the catapult in class and they will test and measure maximum distance as well as the maximum height. They need these in order to create a quadratic function, which is part of the unit. For this specific lesson that I'm doing on completing the square, we will incorporate the part of the project where students must verify that the function is correct by completing the square to change the function to vertex form. So once their function is in vertex form, their maximum height and distance that it reach that height should match. And so the assessment will be having students launch and measure the actual maximum of a water balloon.